Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at a wonderful one-bedroom retirement apartment. Now, this is number 36 Parkside Court, located within Herne Bay. And the really nice thing about this particular development of retirement apartments is that you're in a fantastic location. You're, of course, in the middle of Herne Bay, and you've got an equal distance between you and the town, and of course the seafront as well. Now, bearing in mind that you're right next to the main central park in Herne Bay as well, it makes for a really wonderful location. And as we've come through straight into the lounge area, you can see you've got this nice big window at the front, and you can have a little view down the street there. And if we just pan to the left, you'll see we've got a little view of the park as well. So it's a really fantastic location, and we'll crack on with the rest of the tour. So here we are in the kitchen, and as you can see, you've got the hob top there, the oven, and of course the space for the freezer and the space for the fridge as well. Now, bearing in mind, we do have a laundry facility here at Parkside Court, so you don't need to worry about needing to pop to the laundrette or anything to do your laundry. You can do that all within Parkside Court. So we come through to the bedroom, and as you can see, it's a really nice sized room, certainly a double, however way you arrange it. And of course you've got that nice big window there, just letting all of that natural light through. But it's a really nice sized bedroom, this. So we come back out onto the main entrance hall, and we're taking a look at this really good sized storage cupboard here. Of course, you've got the hot water tank there as well, but you've got a wealth of storage here. That's another one of the most popular things about these apartments. You're never stuck for storage space. So here we are in the bathroom to finish off with, and what we're going to do is we're going to recap a few details on 36 Parkside Court. Of course, you're in a fantastic location right next to the Memorial Park, and walking distance to the town and the seafront. Of course, this retirement development, you do have communal spaces on the ground level, and this property in particular is right next to the lift. So you've got such a short distance to walk from the lift to the apartment, which makes it absolutely fantastic. So this property really does have it all when it comes to retirement property, and I really would ask that you give us a call so that you can find out a little bit more about this wonderful one-bedroom property.